I'm willing to bet that you lose the most marks in the application questions in A-level biology. The main reason for this is because you know all of the words, you know the keywords, you know how to do the questions, blah, blah, blah. You even know the knowledge probably, but you don't understand it. You are just memorizing words without understanding it. And this is why biology is one of the hardest in my opinion, because it's so difficult to know which ones you need to understand deeply and which ones you need to just memorize the keywords. So what you're gonna do is to just assume that every single one you need to understand deeply. And yes, there will be a lot of it. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna use blurting and the Feynman technique in order to understand everything. So far, these are my top 2 study techniques for A-level biology. What you're gonna do to supplement this is to get a question like this one here, and what you're gonna do with this one here is you're just gonna read the question itself, and from this question you're gonna answer it, obviously. Then you're gonna check the answer. If you get something wrong, even if it's like a minor mistake, whatever it is, you're gonna say it out loud and explain it as if you're explaining it to a 5-year-old. It doesn't have to be to an actual person. It can be you explaining yourself in front of a mirror. Just pretend like you're a professor or you're a lecturer teaching it to a bunch of people. The reason why this works is because it's interactive, firstly, and secondly, you're also breaking it down so that you are pretending as if you're teaching it to a bunch of people of different age ranges, and you want to make sure that everyone understands it. So you want to make it as simple as possible, which means your brain is trying hard to understand this, breaking it down until you can say it out loud, and secondly, it can go into your memory. You can even put this into flashcards, but those 2 are the best ones that I've seen so far. Once I can explain it using Feynman technique, usually I don't need flashcards anymore. I don't actually like flashcards anyways. But yeah, super simple. That's it. All the best.